How to disable Spotify auto updates. So what you can do in that case is you can head over right here first to your Play Store. So you will only be able to do this if you have an Android. Head over right here to the Play Store and then from in there, head over right here to your apps. Then you can click onto your profile icon right here and then you can see in here this manage apps and device. Now you should be able to click onto this right here. You have in here this updates available. So what you can do is you can click on that. And in here, as you can see, we have our Spotify. So I actually turned it off. So in order to turn it off onto your case, what you can do is you can head over here to your manage. You can click on any one of them. You can remove them and whatnot. You can also click on this right here and then go right here to play protect. And you can scan it and then you can click on the gear icon. And then you can actually tweak it according to your liking. That's how you disable Spotify auto updates. Hope you help.